go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. Dini dear, Bebre, and this be what? Mataka. What be the matter where you come? 10-year-old boy, where either in mommy, then in poppy, where them they stay. Where it be them now, where them born amu. You know, we say them go adapt amu. You know, we say it be some Broadway, like it take come them and they say, make them spy this kiddie, give them, like give them, it be them own kiddie. Where then they maltreat the kiddie, then they torture the kiddie, then they make the kiddie need the staff. What are them food serve? Then they give this kiddie say make what? Make it suck. What be the reason? The reason be say they say the kiddie no, he be possessed by demon. So they go entertain that thing, you know, for them a room inside or for them a what? Life inside. So in rich nighter, now they untie this kiddie in hand, they untie his leg, then they go leave him for outside. Till what? Till the next day go what? Go happen. This place where this thing happen, you know, be Aqua State, where you dey Nigeria. You know, because brother man, the thing where it happen, you know, it be serious thing. Oh. They say the kid be possessed by what? Demon. So this kid you know they deserve say they go spy him. If they don't go spy on Safa, make the kid go ahead. They say they tie this kid. Then they infringe on this kid in what? In rights. Where Children and Rehabilitation Network, CRARN, then come inside. Where they can't take the kiddie. They can't take the kiddie you go no. Then rescue the kiddie no. Then go the area where this thing happen now. The area members where them did the street top route to the support the man and the woman no. Africans. We do not they pay me big time. We get shallow mind. When a mind need be small. You talk like something. I don't know what I would talk. You now imagine thing where it be small. If you saw when a mind, you know, some of Africans, you know, when a mind need it. Then tell the kid you go, you know, the kid narrate the story and you know, what happened. The kid can't talk say either mommy or poppy where it did. Anything beyond they talk and say make you do it, they do. But what he did we say, he they go Roma, you know they come early. Where he said they love the playboy, he said some kids be them there. Then my ears need hard. You talk and say make you no go here, I know go. You know we say be stubborn. That will have them create up. Say make you what? Make you do. So you know we say he be possessed by demon. Every spirit, every human being be away them born for this world inside. No? If you God where he create that person, demon will get you up. Unless you you bury yourself. You bury yourself now, you now know what you do. God, the demon will feel possess you. You know the spam, you know that thing. So they tell the kid you go the what? The rehabilitation place, you know, where the kid they talk what happened. Where what mommy and poppy they do they see the fish starve them. The fish starve them pound or confita. Then they make you the hung. If you go make it hung suffer, know what you go do what? You go do armed and things. You know be something where if you joke. This word where we dey inside no. We then demons they work. Where if you spy the word demon be people where they be very, very intelligent. When they come this word inside say they go afflict human beings when alive. That be the work of a demon. But this kid, you know they steal you people. Just say you go out now you go play ball, now you come. Just say you talk say make you come, I know will come. But you talk say make you do this, make you do it. There house where you talk say make you do this and make you do this. It be demon where they possess this kid. It be demon where they possess this kid. If someone will do you where the person will be waiter. We are not wrestling by flesh and blood. Though. We are not wrestling by them. We wrestle by spirits. Where then they rule dark like dark places. Then they'll be highly authorities where them dey. Where you don't go see them plus your naked eye. You don't go see them plus your eye where you take watch this video. No? Unless maybe they belly your eye. Before you go see how they would belly your eye, that thing be God in gift where they take give man. It did. So if you take that thing kind of physical thing, that means you don't know your whereabouts. That's why it is a lack of knowledge. My people perish. It be so got up. It there plenty religious book inside. You go Muslim the Masada, it there the Quran inside. You go Christian the Masada, the Bible inside it there. You go on a grandpa piece, on a grandma miss, you go them there, then get secret where then get better when they talk you now go talk say it's not good bury your mind inside. That's why you be like you be some bro where they come up for royal house and things and where you like hotline in future, yeah. You go feel being penny because the worst then they talk no. If you talk one put down on own, it don't be easy. They will talk say, hey, this person get what sense so sake of that in fear where you do what you stay there no. Your mind belly. You never when me now say this word inside here, it no be easy. It no be easy cry. If you be some bro where you no be educated, if they do foolish, then something where if you not do for this world what inside. This be the matter where what it come with me flambo. I do my mind say I for can't talk you. Then you go know what they happen for this world inside. If I finish, you go feel leave your comment. Leave your comment. Anything be where they want talk, it be allowed. It be your phone. Talk what you don't want talk pay for them. If you now you like, then share one of videos. The name be too much what GH. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Prayer always do what? Work. Pow, pow, pow.
Too much GH. Me did go say Japan. A break and Besame TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody de bia. Madam I say love you.
Me did the Isaac Ojampo. Obetumi afem the great tempo. Mbring. One man come when you share too much GH. Too much GH. Mu you too much. Na me so me I'm more fire.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch or say, Bomaden ne too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane. Bonne pa ne kase pe wo wi ase asondin. Asondin ti na Adam. Won hu nyame yenu nyam no. Won hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe. E wo other place ne ade. Kat won. Na Bomaden ne be hwe too much GH. Beshe ne subscribe Bomaden o beshe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura